Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to play the fantasy sports game by ESPN along with your friends. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the ESPN Fantasy Sports game on your device. And once you open it up, log into your account if you haven't done so already by using your email address and your password. Once you are logged in and taken into the homepage, if you wish to play with your friends, then first you will need to create a new league. Tap on the Create button underneath Create New League, and you will be allowed to choose your league name, the size of the league, as well as the scoring type. After choosing all of these and creating your league, you will be able to invite your friends within your league. Tap on the Invite Members option, and you will find an invite link that you can use to invite your friends. You can text or email and share this through other options as well. After copying and sharing this link, your friend can simply tap on it to join your league on the ESPN Fantasy Sports. Once they have joined your league, you can start playing your games right away. And there you have it. That is how you can play the ESPN Fantasy Sports game with your friend. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.